So today's star products are Cantu Shea Butter and Eco Styler Gel. Here I've already washed and conditioned my hair. So the next step is to start with the styling. I'm using a rat tail comb to kind of define my part. And I just really, it's like this funky cut now. Like my cut is growing out and I'm trying to let it grow out, so I have to try to find ways to style my hair. I'm using Eco Styler Gel, my favorite gel. I love this gel. It's got a 10 hold and it really keeps my hair in place. I'm using about, I'll probably say about a dime size. And I'm applying it in my part because my hair is so curly, like it's hard for the part to stay apart, if that makes sense. My hair wants to come back together, so I have to kind of mold it into the style. Now I'm getting them edges together, girl. I don't know if if edges are out of style, but I like for mine to stay sleek. I just don't like my edges to be nappy edges. I don't want to be nappy headed. Like old girl said, like Eva Marcel said to the girls on the Housewives of Atlanta. She called them nappy headed. I thought that was so funny, y'all. But whatever. Okay, so now I'm taking my toothbrush and I'm just smoothing out my edges. Kind of making little swoops. And you'll see how I make the little swoops. I just kind of curve the brush into like little circular motions. So here, I'm just going to speed the video up. I'm sure you guys have seen there's tons of videos on YouTube on how to lay your baby edges, child. And there's a million of them. So, yeah, I'm going to speed this part of the video up. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up. So here I'm adding a little bit of extra gel where my hair tends to get frizzy. I like to put a little bit of extra gel in those areas so that my curls are a little more defined. So here, this part, my hair is probably like 15 minutes into drying. So I just continue to do my chores or whatever it is I'm doing, and I just let it completely dry before I decide to touch it.